How's it going? Tim with Perkins Roofing here, and today we're gonna do a little video on why these concrete tiles have so many issues compared to these clay tiles. I do have some longer videos on this, so for more information you can check out my clay versus concrete tile video. Also check out my tile roof maintenance video and my general roof maintenance video to learn more about tile roof maintenance. But the gist of this video is just going to be why and showing you how and why these concrete tiles do not last a long time. So basically why they suck and how roofers are going to price you these concrete tiles because they're cheaper, their bid is going to look lower, and then they get reoccurring maintenance. It's a little roofer secret. You see how much moisture when it rains absorbs into these tiles. These concrete tiles, look at all the water stains, that's absorption. Whereas the clay ones, water just runs right off of them. That's why I don't like flat tiles. And that's also why, even though this roof is only 2 years old, you already get stuff like this and this occurring. Another example, same roof. These tiles are 2 years old. Look at this. See, this one's cracking here. Just concrete tiles is what they do. Cracking all along the mortar here. 2-year-old tile. Since the concrete tiles have these breakage problems where the corners just break off and they start falling apart, that means that your roofer, to maintain your warranty, you're gonna have to replace all those tiles. So all those tiles with those issues, to maintain the warranty, you're gonna have to fix them. If you don't fix them and pay the roofer to fix them, then you lose your warranty. So the roofer is gonna come out there and say, every few years there's gonna be more broken tiles, you're gonna have to pay them more money and more money and more money to fix these broken tiles, because this is what happens with the concrete tiles. They just fall apart on their own, even when stuff is not falling on them, even when people are not walking up there, even without a hurricane. They're just gonna crack and break because of the moisture absorption. So there's a little secret roofers have, is that they're gonna make money, more money, by selling the concrete tiles, because they're gonna keep getting maintenance every year. Annual maintenance, tile replacement, tile replacement, tile replacement. Oh, and you have to pressure clean the tile because they're already moldy and have algae on them. Now you've got to pay me to pressure clean. Now you've got to pay me to pressure clean. So there's all this recurring maintenance with the concrete tiles that does not happen with the clay tile. If you install the clay tile, yeah, it's a little bit more money now, but you avoid all these maintenance issues in the future. And the roof is going to last longer and look more beautiful. It's approximately 25 broken tiles. There's only a couple that are bashed. Most of them are just the corners. This is what happens with these concrete tiles. So this is just one more reason, and I like to keep repeating this, why clay tiles are superior to concrete tiles and why I highly recommend them. And why other roofers are not going to recommend them, because they want your maintenance money every single year. If you want to find out more about roofing or have any questions, please contact us at Perkins Roofing. For Miami-Dade, Broward, and Monroe counties, call 305 MIA Roof. For Palm Beach, Martin, St. Lucie counties, call 561-559 Roof. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Appreciate that. Watch our videos. And also, please subscribe to us on the social medias, Facebook and all that good stuff. Thank you. We appreciate it. Hope to see you next time.